of life. Mahabasi, from this, you're sketching by what you do. Mahabasi, bless him heaven since a long time.
Yes,
when you go, you are going straight to heaven, not hellfire. You are
sir.
going to the kingdom of light, where only light and no darkness. You can never ever see darkness.
Amen.
Because of this, it can't when you go play this kind of thing, my brother. That was a spray if you I think you understand what I'm saying.
Of course, why? I understand, yeah.
No, every time, Neru, you know, say I don't tell you, say every time. I consider say I no go dance Izzybeatz music today. I could just bone. But somehow, I have seen you working on the same permeate like a semi-permeable membrane. I say, look right from under. I mean, don't move and through. Izzybeatz is going to heaven. No matter the kind of sin you commit, my say that heaven. My brother, call this with you.
Just imagine, say, when you want to go heaven, you can't reach heaven gates. Nah, Angel Gabu, come bring list. Okay, what's your name? Maybe on top woman you die. They say, what did kill you? They say, I just dey walk out.
I tell you.
If I tell you wetin happen, I just dey walk out.
Say you don't go believe you.
Banana come there for ground. Now so I come watch the banana free. So as I come there for my clothes come pull. I come land on top one girl. Now so I take there I go. Now they'll come check your name. Izzybeatz. Say your name Izzybeatz. No, but there's no Izzybeatz. Izzybeatz say check easy. Easy not there. Go check Israel. Which Israel? You're sure say person not use your name enter inside. Anyway, now good evening and welcome on Top the Night Show for today. Will be 19th of March 2015. My name is Nedu Katim.
You don't rehearse you don't revise. You go home, you study calendar.
No, actually.
Is it today the 19th?
Not 19.
Today the 19th. As some people don't try me.
Neru. 27 plus 6, that also. Junk 5.
Junk 5.
32 plus 8. 52 plus 12. You don't know, we know these things. Anyway, now welcome to the next show. Some people they try to make me vex, but I no go vex. I rebuke it in Jesus' name.
We put them in young file.
I refuse to vex today. But anyway, I know so we don't get two people for inside studio. This one, I don't know, men are beard gang.
Oh, not true. You see me, whether you're black trade. Maybe we don't puff.
Why you carry matches for mouth?
Nah, okay. Now so I say one day I just wake up, the thing just
matches just there, mouth.
Just gauge for my mouth.
Now you say you don't know. You see, I like people who know they are calling from early. Can you wait? People who know they are calling. You understand where they go now. People who know they are calling from early. Because Izzybeatz now don't talk in own. In no, but you know.
I know.
You see, in case it happen.
In case of it.
God forbid, say you die now. Make devil not tell you, oh, yeah, go do your own hair, you not get matches. The big carry food I give you now, you go say devil I not get matches, I make you carry your own because you don't know where they go.
In case of it.
Anyway, we're gonna follow us. Welcome, educational, Afro-Beat educational people. What I call them? Afro-Beat again.
Afro-Beat Educational Roadshow.
Yeah.
In English. Afro-Beat Educational Roadshow. This is when you go divide your mouth into two. Talk again.
The Afro-Beat Educational Roadshow.
Call edu.
Educational.
But Jay not dead there now.
Tell you, my brother.
I have more try like this. Educational.
Edu.
Hey!
Who be this evil spirit?
I don't know.
Anyway, we will continue. Now, what will be the idea behind this Afro-Beat Educational Roadshow?
No, what will be their name, Neru, in case they find me for heaven or hell?
Not true, Seth. In case they find for heaven or hell, what will be your name?
My name is Oya Chook Honora.
So you're Igbo man.
No, them things they will not understand that kind of English. No mind them. Now God catch them.
He get to go on. Hey! Check out. of him was said. Anyway, welcome. What's in your own name?
My name is Dozie Honora.
Dozie Honora.
Una be brother.
Now so we see him.
Now so our parents tell us.
So if I just want to go ahead now, you go ahead. Una don't your family name.
Don't bafuka.
So what be the story behind this Afro-Beat educational roadshow?
Afro-Beat educational
roadshow. Okay. What be the story behind this Afro-Beat educational roadshow?
Well,
what do you even mean, sir?
The way
Afro-Beat and education,
they teach people Afro-Beat.
We teach them the business of Afro-Beat.
Oh, like fella kind of music.
So okay, so as you know now, we say for Europe, African music, they try see as they go package them.
Okay.
So unfortunately, they can't call them. It get waiting up where they call her Afro-Beat.
Okay. Not watching them, we supposed to give them better.
No be waiting they supposed to give them that.
Maybe now they won't give rhythm and blues.
Oh, and I'm ready to call Afro-Beat.
They can't give them. Maybe the person is supposed to bring the name, not bring them quick.
So
exactly.
they decide name and every name and Afro-Beat.
Yes, Afro-Beat.
Afro-Beat.
Okay.
So waiting we they try do now be say we want educate.
You want teach.
We want teach.
Jay know that is educate. If you bring this around, Jay know that.
Okay, you want teach people the business where they
business where they behind music.
Business behind music. But why not call them Afro-Beat? Because people when know they do Afro-Beat now go to say now only Afro-Beat.
No, Nedu.
People.
Ask me what I study in university.
What do you study for university?
Afro-Beat education.
Continue. Continue. So when I want to teach people the whole thing, okay,
how you go make money?
From music generally. Why not call a music educational roadshow?
Because we try what we try to be say we just try maybe say we just specific. Okay, we want the specific to the African music.
Oh, okay. You're such a sweet boy.
So since you say you want to die specification of African music
for Nigeria.
So make you no vex. Now, waiting be the thing. We bring about the idea. We make you
decide
to teach Afro-Beat education.
Yeah.
What thing happen? They say our music they explode on the international scene.
Oscoff.
Now, if you look at like that, even though for Nigeria here, say the industry never completely did
how it's supposed to be.
Yes. Money day for international market.
Money day.
And artists. Forget your two-face, forget those popular artists. Okay. Artists, you get certain artists where their music they play for clubs, for Yankee, for UK, for Germany, for France, for Italy.
We're not big artists.
We're not big artists. Yes.
But because they know they registered for the international music organizations, that money they don't fit collect them.
Oh.
So money they sit there. Imagine say rain they fall. You set your bucket. For everywhere. Morning time come, bucket go full. They don't know say they get money for them.
So wait now. You know say me and Katim we will sing one song for you now. Izzybeatz, give us beats. Give us coco no future mouth. Okay. That's our rap. That's crap. Then give his beat. Yeah! What? Oh yeah, rap. What?
Kuro senki. Tanga ke sung semurwa wad. Mbo Oh, Jess, my bamo. Jess, Santa wa. Mwa ndugu flo basi. Mbo Jesus said ya kame fo nanga sanga.
Mona give them all of them. This is our song. It's supposed to come out for iTunes because iTunes don't full.
You can't put
that for WeTunes or UsTunes. So if you register us now, we'll feel they get that money. Hey, Izzybeatz don't hammer.
Izzybeatz go dey miss the music.
Izzybeatz go dey miss. Continue.
So as you see, I'm saying now you do the beat. You get your own money when you get.
So apart from hold on now. Which means if person like Don Jazzy now, where they know say they make beats now, and do song with maybe Ricardo Banks and the whole Mavins, they call the player for club there. The group, the Mavins, go they collect money.
They go
one. Then Don Jazzy will do the beats. Collect another money.
Then the person will write the song.
Hey!
The person will play the guitar for the music.
They suppose get waiting with they call session fee.
Oh, session fee. Now,
then they go. It get different organizations. So the people who play music, they go join waiting with they call musicians union. So when you want to record that music, you fill out that form. That form they go submit them.
Okay. My brother, just know before one night with all this filling of form. Now so you go fill out your life insurance.
Now that form, they bring your regular money. Okay, so that if you can't die, God forbid, your family go
see the chop the money. So what if I understand now, what I want to do now for Nigeria, now make artists we don't know register with Una, so that if then they play their song over there, or even if they get carry show carry them come there, they go see they make money. Even if they're not there, even if they here, as they play their song, Una go they collect their money for them, they transfer and give them.
How we go show say Una no go shop?
I go show how they want to show say Una no go have
we never know anything.
But you understand? Anything can happen. This is our song now. This is our song now.
Make I address that one. First of all, jokes aside, we know they come say make people come register with us. We know they come. We get that service.
You know their contact person now.
We get that service. But this is why we call it education, because we want make people understand how the industry they work for that side.
Okay, no be so they say the form.
No be say we they sell the form. Then we go come look at.
If you want more sell you the form, we go fee sell you the form.
Sorry, this one be what we discuss another thing. We hear say when they get Illuminati form. You get people want.
I know say una dey laugh now. We know say una no go want talk now because everybody.
How many?
We hear say regular membership na 5,000.
Then the VIP one.
Then the VIP one na 25,000.
Standard. And you know say Nigeria, you get regular, you get VIP, you get VIP, gold, platinum.
So again, after the show, they go tell us because we know get people who want to join Illuminati. Different people.
When they go the meeting, they go they hang out with.
So more continue.
No, after the
more continue. More I beg, more don't forget. Now waiting. Now who
the idea.
This of course this one that they arranged now. It is seek to chook eye to address matters of say okay people know they make money from which means una be like co-son.
No.
Yeah. So for some of them about no.
But I think co-son they do for Nigeria. They collect money. We artists.
No, they don't like the name. No, change the name. They don't like that name.
Okay, talk what you want to talk.
What will they do? The main reason why WebBC will come Nigeria right now, right? The main reason why WebBC within Nigeria right now.
Would they hear you?
Now conference, there's a conference WebBC would organize.
Okay,
and this conference is.
I will carry one conference we organize. Left, right, and center.
Okay.
She interprets.
Okay. And this conference is between UK Trade and Investment. Okay. And our company, which is they call us Strictly Entertainment Music. Okay. So this business conference, what we do be say, we they fly in some international speakers, professionals, where we say that they do music business.
Turkish people.
Where they say they do business
where they collect money.
Where they collect money. And we they fly them in. Okay, in this conference.
Who they pay?
Who they pay?
They laugh now.
No, continue. No, leave them. When I go fly them in.
They land tomorrow morning.
When be this conference?
Saturday.
Okay, this Saturday.
That's the day after tomorrow.
That's
the day after.
Now, make I ask something before I forget. This thing now only for music.
Music and film.
Oh, music and film.
We look at music and film because these two industries, they grew.
Wow.
And if you look for America, for UK, when film come out, music they play major role.
Like soundtrack, you know.
But when
you don't be like Nigerian film soundtrack.
Exactly. When you look Nigerian film soundtrack,
not call Nigerian film soundtrack.
When you look music, when you look sound effects, when they Nigerian film.
Sound effects in the Nigerian film. Jun, 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 jun. You go see person with the waka slow. Gang, 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 gang.
No, no, from Lake.
They will show you. Gang, 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 gang. You can't just go carry towel. You can just one goalkeeper. Continue. So now for movie and music. Now, what of comedy videos?
No,
Okay.
Comedy like skits. Like people like us where they do comedy skits, like video skits. What of that one? Where the people they watch out for them.
They never reach that side. I don't say your eye go enter that one. No, now small now.
I want to help our life.
That is still waiting with the call intellectual property.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
If it's
comedy scripts, person still they write the scripts. If you look at songs, person still they write the song. If you look at movie, person still they write the script.
Okay.
So there is script, then there is you, the performer. When you're on stage, you're performing. If you perform for UK with Jack Dean or any of the others, they will get performance royalty. Promoter go pay them for that show.
Yes.
Then they will come get another 2 separate royalties. So they will, by the time they finish their show, they will get like 4 different money.
Wow.
You will come on that same show, you only get 1.
Now, make you not waste your time. Back. Now, this event now Saturday they happen. Where they happen?
It happen round the corner, Miliki Private Members Club.
Miliki Private Members. Miliki. It's spelled like Miliki. Get your eye.
Okay, down the road.
Down the road
Just down
from
there.
you guys.
Tickets day.
No, online registration.
Online registration.
Where they go register?
www.strictlyentertainmentgroup.com or just
www.strictlyentertainmentmusic.com.
Always on the music now.
Group.
You have to put the group inside though.
Okay.
www.
No, yeah, I mean announce this thing. Nedu, calm down. Ebo, you can go to www. I don't 3W. And first them dot. Full stop dot. Strictly entertainment group. .com. This me. .com. You don't forget about Strictly Entertainment Music.
Sorry, no mistake.
No, Strictly Entertainment Group.com.
Yes.
Okay. Now, in 1 minute before Nakarawaga come over for inside studio, tell people what they need to know. Back.
They go pay for the registration.
No, registration is not free.
And at which time it happen?
I fear for this.
It starts tomorrow. It starts on 11.
Okay, registration
On Saturday. Sorry. It starts on Saturday. It starts on Saturday 11 and it ends at 7
o'clock.
7 o'clock for night.
Some of
them
them
give morning food and afternoon food there.
refreshments.
No,
he doesn't say refreshment today. Food today. Refreshment and the you know. Anyway, double toilet to Afro-Beat Educational Roadshow people. Them don't come for the show, and them don't.
And they ready to go.
They go now. Dear show, what do you want to talk?
Just to let you know, some of the people where they speak tomorrow.
Okay.
We get Ibinabo Faberesimo. We get
that girl with the quarter on top of her head.
That girl with the quarter on top of her head. We get Chin. We get Stephanie Coker. We get Sunday Array, formerly from Mo Hits. We get Lancelot Odua. We get Chioma Ude. Just go on the website.
Just go on the website. You can see the list of people missing speak.
We get like 30 people, and we they fly in some big UK music lawyers where they collect money.
And remember, say registration day na free. They're not asking for money.
They're not asking for money.
It's education. Come and empower your mind. If you're serious about your movie industry or your music industry and collecting that money, wait there for the other side.
So una don't hear. If you guys serious for collecting that money,
you go there.
You go for www.strictlyentertainmentgroup.com. We are going to see you. Easy.
Ask them first. Who's in your who?
Who's in your who? No, this one's senior. This one's senior. Not senior.